Hello traders. Hope you're doing great. Today, I made a video about a simple and beginner-friendly EMA strategy that can help you understand market direction more clearly. In this strategy, we use two EMAs. 50 EMA, yellow line, shows the main market trend. 21 EMA, pink line, shows faster market movement and possible entry signals. How this strategy works. This strategy works best in a trending market. For example, if the market is in a downtrend and buyers start gaining strength, the 21 EMA crosses above the 50 EMA. This crossover can be a signal that the market momentum is changing from bearish to bullish. At that moment, we can look for a buy/call option entry, stopwatch trade timing. In this live example, I placed a 5-minute call option trade. A good rule is, when both EMAs cross each other, try taking trades between 4 to 5 minutes for better confirmation and smoother movement. Important tips for beginners. Always follow the trend. Wait for a proper EMA crossover confirmation. Don't enter trades emotionally or in a rush. Practice first on a demo account. Use good risk management to protect your capital. As you can see in this example, patience and confirmation helped us get a successful result. It's Euro to US dollar live trade analysis. On the Euro to US dollar chart, the market was moving inside a consolidation zone for almost 18 to 20 minutes, showing weak momentum and uncertainty between buyers and sellers. After waiting patiently, we finally received a clear signal from the EMA strategy. Yellow line equals 50 EMA, pink line equals 21 EMA. As the market started gaining bearish pressure, the 21 EMA crossed below the 50 EMA, giving us confirmation that sellers were likely taking control and the market could continue moving downward. After the crossover confirmation, we entered a 5-minute sell/down trade. Now, let's stay patient and wait for the result. Why this strategy works. This EMA crossover strategy is simple, clean, and beginner-friendly. It helps traders identify possible trend changes and market direction with better confidence. Important tips. Don't trade during random market movement. Wait for proper EMA crossover confirmation. Understand basic market structure and trend direction. Practice first on a demo account. Use proper risk management and avoid emotional trading. Trading is not about rushing into the market, it's about patience, discipline, and following your strategy correctly. If you stay consistent and keep learning, this simple strategy can become a powerful tool in your trading journey. Pound sterling to US dollar live trade analysis. This is the pound sterling to US dollar chart. As we can see, the EMA lines are crossing each other, which is giving a strong signal of bearish momentum in the market. 50 EMA, yellow line. 21 EMA, pink line. The crossover is indicating that sellers are gaining control, and the market is likely to continue moving downward. Based on this confirmation, we are taking a 5-minute down/sell option. If you already have some experience in trading and understand market structure, you can clearly see that the market is showing strong downside pressure and may continue falling toward the next support level. Now, let's wait patiently for the result. Hourglass not done. Remember, trading is all about patience, discipline, and understanding market behavior. Avoid emotional trading, follow your strategy, and always use proper risk management. I hope you become a profitable trader one day. Best wishes to you, and good luck on your trading journey.